Improve your child's IQ. Join Logiqminds.com.
At Logiqminds, we offer comprehensive skills for your kids. Not just preparing for standardized tests, math and English, but also technology and future essentials. We have custom programs for your child's needs at our premium studio, right in your neighborhood. We offer math, English, as well as preparatory classes for competitive tests like COGAT, Math Olympiad, Math Kangaroo, SAT, and ACT. Our professional staff and certified teachers boost your child's confidence and academic performance. For those with a passion in technology, we offer VEX and LEGO robotics, coding, Python, Roblox, gaming design, Minecraft, digital electronics, and drones with hands-on training. We also offer essential skills like public speaking, entrepreneurship, chess, and interactive YouTuber courses to boost confidence and critical thinking skills. You might be wondering how all this works. We offer specialized bundle programs where you have an option to pick and choose your choice of annual programs, which run for the entire year, and can be combined with our short programs, which run for a shorter duration. Depending on the interests of your child, you have the option to pick and choose a combination of multiple annual and short programs. And no contracts, no commitment, with a lot of flexibility. It's a value-based service. Our studio is right in your neighborhood. Go reserve your spot now on www.logiqminds.com. Our learning advisor will get in touch with you to discuss our offerings that suit your child's needs.